Okay, so I have been using this. It's the Dreame Multi-Surface Floor Cleaner. It's primarily for their robots and vacuum floor cleaners, but I've been using it with my mop and pail, and let's go take a look at it and see why it's so great. Okay, so you just want to add 1 capful to your robot cleaner, or here I'm using it to my pail. You can see it's like clear when it goes in. Very, very light scent, and I love this because there's no harsh chemicals in it. One of the reasons that I really like using it is I can use it on all different kinds of flooring. You can see here I'm using it in my kitchen on my new flooring that we have here, and it's great for that. I also like to use it in my laundry room and any of the bathrooms. It just cleans up the floor so well, and like I said, there is barely any scent to it at all. It's just so gentle, and yet it cleans so deeply. It's a really great cleaner.